Hello everyone, today we are going to change a screen for the iPhone 16. So you can see that we will use this kind of screwdriver to remove these two screws from the bottom. Now we will apply some heat to loosen the adhesives underneath. You can use a hair dryer or you can use a hot plate as well. Just make sure that you don't apply much heat on the front camera because it can damage your front camera as well. Now we will use this kind of pry tool to take the screen off from the frame. Yeah, so just slowly and careful. There is a lot of glass that can hurt your hands as well, so you have to be very careful. There you go. Now open the screen just like a book, so it's gonna be open just like this. Okay, now we will use this star screwdriver to take those screws off. This one. And this one. Just keep organize all your screws and plates so you will not lose it. Use your hand to take off the screen or use a plastic spudger to take the screen off from the phone. Now we will have to remove the proximity sensor from the screen, so we will use a Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, this is the cover on the top, and now we will apply some heat on the screen as well. Apply a little bit more heat on the screen so the proximity sensor can be easily take off from the screen. Just you have to be very careful, because if you damage the sensor, then you will not be able to turn on the phone. The phone will keep restarting if the sensor will be damaged. This is the new screen. Now transfer the proximity sensor to the new screen. It's like this. It's really easy. See? And now you have to put the cover on as well. So the cover will be hooked up from one side, and then you can slide it to the other one, just like this. Yep. Okay. Now you will reverse or tighten up the Phillips screwdriver screw again, and the screwdriver. Here you go. Yes. All right, it's done. And now I am going to connect the proximity sensor and the screen to the phone. There you go. And this is the plate. So the plate is kind of it's gonna slide from one side, and then the other side you can just put the screw on, right? And you can use the same star screwdriver. Yeah. All right. Here you go. Now just carefully close the screen and turn on the phone and check if the touch is working. That's good. Everything is working. Now turn off the phone and secure the screen. Just like this. Just check from the both sides if the screen is fit in the frame, and install those screws back. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share for further informative videos. Thank you.